Here we have an Asus tablet that came in for no power and the tablet does not charge. Customer said that he bought this tablet used and the battery was charged. So he used the tablet until battery went down to 0, and after that he was not able to charge the tablet. So the tablet was working when the battery was charged, but he was not able to charge the battery when it went down to 0. That tells me that we have a problem with either the charging connector or something else on the board. We already disassembled the board right here, and I actually started to work on this board before pushing the record button. I did not do anything, but I realized that we have 3 ripped pads on the charging connector. Let me show you what I mean. If you look here, when I put this under the microscope, I pushed on the pins and I realized all the pins are loose. So I thought, let me touch up on those pads. I brought my NF.mini soldering pen and I touched up on the pins. And as soon as I touched up on pin number 2 and 3, the pads came right off. And we also noticed that we have a broken pad between pin 1 and here. So basically we're going to have to run a wire from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here. I do not think that we need to remove the connector. We should be able to do the job while the connector is still on. Now I did touch up on pin number 4 and pin number 5, and right now they are solid. And we will work on pin 1, 2, and 3. For pin 1, we're going to grind this pad and we're going to run a pad strip from here to here. And for pin number 2, we're going to grind this trace, run a pad strip, and we're going to do the same for pad number 3. And after doing so, the tablet should charge again. I'm going to start by grinding this pad right here. And then we're going to grind the second one. Something is on my tip. Okay, very good. And finally, we're going to do this one here. Awesome. Thank you very much, grinding pen. You're amazing. If you are new to the channel, I always mention it in every video. We carry and sell all the tools that we use. The grinding pen, soldering stations, hot air stations, the amazing microscope that I'm using right now, the V2 microscope, thermal cameras, tweezers, Flux. We are a distributor for Amtech Flux. Whatever you need, you can just log in to NorthridgeFix.com, click on shop, order what you need, and we almost always ship items out same day. We stock everything. And right now we're going to use the NF.mini pen to apply solder on those tiny traces. I mean, what I love about this NF.mini knife tip is you can use the knife tip to do very microscopic work. I can use the tip of that knife tip, or we can use the entire knife tip if we are working with bigger components for more heat transfer. You can tell the pins are hidden inside, so we're going to have to tilt the board a bit so we can see what we are doing. And it may be a little bit challenging, but let's see. To right over here. And we got it. Let's go ahead and clean up. Very nice. And now let's do number 2 and number 3, but not at the same time. We'll do one after the other. One after the other. I just rotated the board. And let's go ahead and solder right? So look at this. We did 2 in 1. I soldered the pin and the pad at once. What do you think? Magic. Wire number 2 is done. 1 pad strip was enough to do 2 pins, but right now we need to get another one. And if you are wondering where to buy pad strips, we have 4 different types. Just log into our website, NorthridgeFix.com, and you can buy it from there. The pad strip I'm using can be found in pad strips 2 and pad strips 4. When you log into our site, we have pad strips 1, 2, 3, and 4. And every package has different styles of pad strips. But the one I'm using here is found in 2 and 4. And we have to make sure those 2 wires are not touching. We can cut it off from here. And right now it's 6:05, so that's the last repair for the day. And I'm out of here. I'll probably post this video today. Now we have to test to make sure the wires are making a good connection. Multimeter in diode mode. Very nice. And we are done. Just a quick cleanup with the swab. And I'm going to assemble the board. I'm not going to fully assemble the board, just the battery. I want to connect the battery, and then we're going to plug the charging cable and see if that battery will take a charge. Let's plug the micro USB cable. And yes, charging. Amazing. Look at this. 0.46 amps. The tablet is charging at 0.46 amps. Awesome. We did not have to remove the charging connector. We soldered 3 wires, restored 3 pads, and the job is done. We're going to invoice and mail this back to the customer. I'll leave this on Big Boss's bench so he can reassemble it tomorrow, right here. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.